Hey Scorpio, welcome to your general love read. This is your December forecast for love, sex, and emotions. Okay, so this is looking at you and your person side by side. Okay, and what is the energy between the two? What's going on from your point of view? What's going on from their point of view? We'll talk about their emotions. We'll talk about any intimacy issues that come up. And then at the end, I will move into the extended, which is going to dig deeper into this if this is your storyline, okay? If you do enjoy this reading, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I get asthma when someone needs to hear that, so you may have needed the little reminder, little nudge, okay, to go click on that subscribe button. It does help. It is a beautiful gift. I do feel very grateful to everyone that has subscribed because we just passed the 1,000 subscribers mark, which was a long journey. I'm waiting now for them to give me the feature to be able to go live and stream bonus videos through my phone. So yay for when that gets activated. So thank you all for that. All right. I'm going to get started. The extended personal readings and all other links are down below in that description box, okay, if you are looking for any information on how to connect with me, okay? So, Scorpio, what is going on here? Okay, so going into the month, okay, you may throw caution to the wind and just have a conversation with this person, okay, the moon in reverse, and be like, listen, this is what I want. This is what I want to be done with. This is what I want for us. This is how I feel, okay? And as you move through the month, you may start seeing, okay, this sort of rekindling energy between you and your person. Now, as you get to the end of the month, there may be a little bit of a feeling of a little uphill battle, okay? This could be family, okay? It doesn't have to be necessarily with your person. It could be just feeling, you know, out of it because you're not able to see family perhaps this holiday season, but we'll clarify when we get there. Okay, your person is coming into this month, okay? They're a little bit, I would say, defensive against perhaps some of what you're saying with the Knight of Swords, okay? So in the middle of the month, you are like, we're rekindling, everything's wonderful, okay? They feel like perhaps their voice, their choice in all of this has been taken away with strength in reverse. I do feel like end of the month, okay, there's this strength that returns, this power that returns here with the Empress, and there we'll start seeing some transformation. All right, so let's get clear here. Okay, so you're tired of not knowing how this person feels, okay? That's why you're taking this stab at this, okay? Trying to get the truth or give them your truth, get their truth, sort of an energy, okay? With the Unknown card in reverse and the Page of Swords, okay, you're taking your power here, okay? With the Queen of Wands, you're moving into this, in this power energy. Okay, this person may be a little bit defensive, but this is everything they wanted to hear. Okay, with the Nine of Cups, they may fight a little bit, you know, for what they want, for their side of things. Okay, 7 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles here. All right. There you are. Okay, as you move into the month, you're rekindling here, but, okay, with the 9 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, you're not getting everything out of this that you are wanting, okay? You could have very, which you need to hear this, you could have this very over-the-top idea of how this union is going to take place, okay? And what you need to understand is that this is about bringing the energies back together, okay? Bringing in a balance, not necessarily like, you know, loading up and jetting off on a trip or something together, okay? And your person, again, like I said, they feel like some of their choice, some of their truth, perhaps, is not being heard in all of this, okay? There could be this overwhelming transformation that happens for them based on this reconnection, and it may be very overwhelming, where they're going to have to pull back and get a little bit of perspective before they can figure out what they want to move forward, okay? Okay, so end of the month, okay, they've pulled back. You feel a little bit like you're dragging towards the end. Knight of Wands, okay, you feel, you may even be pulling yourself into the mindset and the actions of the past where you feel like you're not getting, okay, what you wanted out of this. Okay, with the star, with this star, it's like, again, you've got these large wishes, okay, and you guys are not fully into the alignment of this coming back together, and it's triggering you. It's bringing up issues that you haven't fully healed. 5 of Cups, okay, and you may, okay, start pulling yourself back away because you think you're not getting what you wanted out of this. Especially when this person starts coming towards you in this transformed power after having pulled back and gotten this new perspective, okay? King of Swords, they may come at this, all right, with a little bit of a, now you're going to hear my truth, okay? Because I'm tired of carrying it around. I'm tired of carrying this pain around with me, and I'm going to release it. But the reason that they have to do that is in order to come clear, okay, into this King of Cups energy. Like, they don't want to be burdened if they're going to come back towards you in love. All right. Okay, yeah. All right. Some of your energies may be a little bit self-preoccupied, a little bit selfish, where you want it your way, and you may not be willing to see things their way. All right. Okay. But here's the thing. You do have sort of this optimist energy, at least going into the month. being able to open yourself up to this person. And so keep hope, okay, that this is all part of the process. Okay, your person, this opens their curiosity back up. This opens their asking questions about where this is going. That's why they pull into that hermit energy, okay? Because they were pretty sure that this was done, okay? They were drained by this, and they did not expect this turnaround, okay? Okay, you did feel, like I said, in your power here. Intuitively, you knew it was time for this Ace of Wands, time to take action, time to move yourself forward. You've been doing a lot of work on yourself here in the past and wondering and watching what's going on with this person. But there was a blind spot, okay? This bird is showcasing that there was a blind spot, and you realized, I'm never going to know unless I know, so I need to reach out. Okay, even though this person is defensive and restricted, okay, they've been wondering about you because there is this bond between the two of you. Okay, they may have gone off because of career, and they're recognizing with this Queen of Pentacles that, you know, having a beautiful giant career doesn't necessarily make up for having love in your life. And they may be recognizing that without even realizing it, they have been manifesting you coming back with this offer. Okay, the way that this makes you feel, okay, getting up in your head again, you start to recognize that if you don't mirror their actions and pull yourself back into hermit for a minute to get a perspective on this, you will move into an emotional tower moment. Okay, and you want to stay balanced. You're like, I want to stay balanced. I need to get out of those overwhelming energies, overwhelming emotions. Okay, come to land for a minute. All right, your person, the perspective that they're getting is, why do I always think about this, right? And what is this rebirth all about? Okay, and there's a recognition within them that this is about love, celebration, coming together with this person that is your soulmate. Okay, end of the month here. Okay, you're pulling yourself into some of that negative energy regardless, some of that negative self-talk. Okay, a little bit of the desire to fight, okay, against healing those triggers that are being brought up by reconnecting with this person. Just know that if you work through whatever's coming up, it only makes you stronger. Okay, this person is coming forward to bring up those emotions so that you can move forward. Okay, here. This person, okay, they may withhold saying the important stuff. okay? But come in, you know, as strong, but holding back a little bit of the passion. But having the Emperor and the Empress, okay, I feel like in their line is not so much about the both of you as it is about them coming into their own divine union within themselves, okay, which will open them up to be able to come forward in this movement forward, Three of Wands, with their passion, okay, perhaps in a way that they haven't in the past. But it's going to take a little bit, okay? With this Knight of Pentacles, know that this is the first phase of realigning with your person, okay? This is not like you realign with them, you snap your fingers, divine union, woo, everything's good and gold forevermore. No, that is not how that part works, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? Because they keep saying in my head, lofty aspirations, okay? So release the way that you are thinking of this person, okay? Open yourself up to new energy with them. All right? Yeah, this will be the honeymoon phase, which means that, I mean, I don't know if you've ever been on a honeymoon, but let me tell you about my honeymoon, okay? I got the flu the night before my wedding. I got sick on the way home from my wedding dinner that night before. I wasn't able to eat anything the day of my wedding. We drove from Salt Lake City, Utah to Yellowstone to go camping, and my new spouse had not made any actual reservations. So here I was sick, and we had to go back to like American Falls, like another 100 miles drive to find a hotel, which was run down, peeling wallpaper, cracked lampshade. Tried to go back to Yellowstone the next day, ran into his ex in a gas station, was sick, got sicker from the change in elevation, ended up having to leave. We drove back to Utah. I finally started feeling better, but I was just done with it. Okay, so yeah, you have honeymoon stage is not all beautiful and bliss and love all the time, okay? So you're getting to know each other again. You're getting to know the new beings that you are. And so allow yourself that. Allow your person to be curious, okay? And try not to pull back into old paradigms, old behaviors, okay? So I'm going to move into the extended. Link is down below. See what else is going on here. And I hope to see you there. All right, bye.